Are you considering installing, replacing, repairing, or doing preventative maintenance on your water heater? You're in the right place for our 20% off all water heater deals. Hi, I'm Roger with Fire and Ice. As your trusted HVAC and water heater experts in Central Ohio, we're committed to keeping your home not just comfortable, but safe too. If you're watching this video, you're likely wondering whether it's time to replace your water heater. According to government energy efficient standards, if your water heater is over 10 years old, it's time to think about a replacement. To find out the age of your water heater, start by identifying the brand name and serial number on your unit. In many cases, the date of manufacturer is printed on the same label. If you're uncertain about the condition of your water heater and need professional advice, Fire and Ice is here to help. We are offering 20% off all water heaters for a limited time only. Schedule your free estimate today. Our team can guide you through every step of the process, from repairs to replacement, making sure you get the best option for your home. Remember, investing in a new water heater today can prevent unexpected breakdowns tomorrow. Fire and Ice, real life, real comfort.